With type 2 diabetes, my doctor's got me on this new stuff called Mounjaro, and I've already taken I've already taken 2 shots already in the last 2 weeks. You take it weekly, and gonna take my my uh, my day to take it is on Friday after work evenings. So show you what it does. So I've got my alcohol pad, got my box. Open up a new box. It's supposed to, for those who don't know, it's supposed to lower your A1C. I have a few people who've actually taken this, and it actually works. There are some side effects such as nausea, which I've had a little bit, and for me, I've appetite suppression. So I haven't really been eating much at all like I normally do. So I think it's also used. I think a lot of people use it for diet as well, weight loss. But that's not what I'm using it for. But this is the pen. So it comes in a box of 4. So basically that's 4 weeks, and very simple to use. They say you can inject it in either your stomach or your thigh. I've been doing it in my thigh only because I have an insulin pump. So that's where I've been. That's where I switch back and forth from left to right for my insulin pump. So they do say, just like the insulin pump with this injection, you should alternate, sites as you do it. So got my alcohol pad and this. It's very easy to use. So let me go ahead and see if I can show you here. Also got my sharps container. Got this at Costco. Just so you know, this does fit in there without the cap. So I'll show you that. All right, so gonna inject it in my thigh up here. Basically, you take this, the injection, pop that off. It's the cap, and there's the needle in there. At the top, you'll see a lock, unlock. Gonna switch it to unlock, and then basically what's going to happen is when I put it against my thigh, I'm going to push the button. You're going to click, and it'll start injecting the fluid in, and then once you hear the click again, it's done, and it retracts. Kind of neat contraption. So we'll go ahead and do it. So I've already unlocked it. You can relock it again if you're not ready, but I've unlocked it. Took the cap off, and I'm going to put it right about there. It's pretty quick. And injected, and when you push the button first, it basically launches the needle in, and it starts distributing the Mounjaro, and then when it's done, when you hear that second click, it basically retracts like a pen almost. Retracts back into the device, and that's it. And like I said, I'll put this in my sharps container, which best bear to fit. It does not fit with the cap, so you have to get the cap on in order to get it in the sharps container. So there you go. So that's my injection for this week, and didn't feel anything, not too bad. The first one when I did, actually, I must have hit a certain spot because it did bruise for a little bit. But last week when I did it on this side and just now, we'll see if it bruises, but I don't think it will because I rarely felt it at all. I didn't feel anything actually. So there it is. Like I said, it is kind of an appetite suppressant, and I haven't really been eating much at all, and I'm borderline nauseous. So I picked up a case of ginger ale. Because ginger actually helps nausea. So there you go. Got any questions, comment below. I have my follow-up appointment in December. So by then they'll probably do other blood tests to see if my A1C went down or not. According to people that I talked to and other posts, it does help your A1C. So hopefully that will be the case for me because mine's pretty high right now. So we'll catch up with you later.